to dominate Amazon search results, master sponsored brands, and leave your competitors behind. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so we're going to be checking out sponsored brands. And if you don't know what sponsored brands are, you can just turn off all your ad blockers, type in crochet kit, and then here's an example of a sponsored brand right here. And we're going to be showing you this method in today's video and a sample of how to get the biggest ROI on it with a shield campaign. It pretty much blocks your listings from competitors stealing your sales, and you show up just like this. Pretty nice, right? So you're going to go to Amazon Seller Central, you're going to go to Advertising Campaign Manager, you're going to go to Campaigns, Create Campaign, and then you're going to go to this next page where you can click what type of campaign you want to create. So you got sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored display, and now sponsored TV. So many different campaigns to pick which one, and we're doing sponsored brands. So you can look again at what the sponsored brands look like and the highlights and stuff. If you don't have access to this, make sure you have brand registry, make sure you have a trademark, and make sure you're a professional seller. Next, we're going to click continue, and we're going to start creating the shield campaign. Okay, so now that we're here, I'm just going to type in the name. You just want to know what it is. So I'm just going to be SB Shield. Again, it's a sponsored brands shield campaign. You can put in a portfolio if you want, whatever budget you want. Again, for a budget, I would recommend to start out with $10 a day or higher, but you don't want to spend too much money and realize that you messed up. So a nice budget's going to be $10 a day to start. And then once it starts spending money, once it starts looking good, you can increase it to $20, $100 a day, whatever you feel is right. Now we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to click the goals. Oops, I don't know what I'm pressing. And then we're going to click different goals. So do you want to drive page visits, or do you want to grow impression share? We want to pay per click. I recommend you do the same. Now that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to scroll down, ad group settings. You can change the name if you want, but you're going to do the ad format as the product collection. You're going to scroll down and then do store on Amazon or a new landing page. Pick products to advertise, and we'll create a landing page for you. If you have a store and your store looks good, you can do your store landing page. If not, you can do a new landing page that Amazon makes for you, right? And this one's going to look nice as well. It might even increase your sales with the new landing page. So if you don't know which option to pick, just click the new landing page. Then Amazon's going to create one that's pretty simple and easy to use. You can also see what they're doing. So if they're going to click on it, it's going to take us right to the listing, or you can shop at the top and it's going to take them to the actual Woobles store. So we're going to have ours be pretty much similar to that. And let's keep going into the campaign builder. So we're going to pick 3 products, and there they are. You can also preview your landing page. Let's preview it just to see what it looks like. And this is super easy to buy. So they're going to click on it, and then they can just click add to cart and buy it right away, right? Super simple, super easy, nothing crazy, but it's going to make the customers, it's very easy for them to purchase it. Now there's cost control, there's campaign bid adjustments. Let's not do that. And when it says new, usually it's not the best to use. But we're going to do keyword targeting. We're going to type that in. We're going to do enter list right here. And you see these ones are automatically added on the right side. We're going to pretty much, if you want to, you can keep them on, or you can turn them off. I recommend to turn them off. You're going to turn this one off. You're going to exit this one. And now you're just going to do exact match. So turn these 2 off and do exact match, and only type in words related to your brand. Okay, so if our brand is crochet, we sell crochet kits, we're going to type in crochet kit. We're going to type in our brand name. So if our brand name is the Woobles, we're going to type in the Woobles. Maybe people type in Woobles instead. You can see what are people typing in, right? So you should know, you should look at what people are typing in. So the Woobles crochet kit for beginners, that's what people are typing in. So you want to just have a little list, not big. I would say just start out with 5 or less of match types, exact match, and then you're going to add those keywords to the side right here. Okay, when you do that, you're gonna start 10% below Amazon's recommended bid. So if the suggested bid is $1.19, you're gonna do 10% lower. So that's gonna be around, pretty much just subtract 10 cents from this. So I'm just gonna subtract 10 cents from each one, just around 10 cents or 10%. That way you're not getting overcharged. Next, you're gonna do the creative. So you can see we can generate images with AI, which they did for some of them. Or if you have images ready to go like this one, you're gonna be good to go. You can see what it looks like on mobile and what it looks like on desktop. If we look at it on desktop, it looks almost exactly like the Woobles, like the same format. And that's what we want because we know that it looks similar and that theirs is working well. So you're gonna match it off of some of our competitors or even just random people selling on Amazon that are in a completely different niche, but we know they know what they're doing, right? So we're gonna go there and we're gonna triple check, make sure you have a good headline, and now people can easily click and purchase the product, submit it for review, and go from there. This campaign is going to work very well, in my professional opinion, and what I've done with all of our clients, because we're targeting specific keywords that we know people are typing in and are branded keywords. They're mainly branded keywords. So our items are crochet kit. We're gonna show up for that. Crochet kit for beginners. The Woobles is our brand name. Woobles is our brand name. We're gonna be showing up for those exact keywords. And we're not keyword stuffing. We're not putting too many keywords in here. We're being very direct and only targeting our top brand keywords. If we're selling a Lamborghini, we're gonna put in Lamborghini. We're gonna put in sports car, supercar, and that's probably it. Like very short and sweet, but whatever people are typing in directly. Submit it for review, wait for it to be active, and then over time, you're gonna be slowly lowering these bids and you're gonna be slowly increasing your budget if needed. But that's gonna be it for today's video on creating a great ROI campaign. The simpler it is, the better it is usually for Amazon and ads. You don't want to be doing something crazy because then it's really hard to manage and make sure it's all optimized. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below if you've ever run a sponsored brand ad and how it went. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, your ads, optimize your ads for you, make sure you're getting a low ACoS, call Amazon, customer service, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end to fix an issue or optimizing your Amazon ads campaigns. Let us do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.